Can Indian skin achieve glowing glass-like skin? If you think only fair skin can achieve glowing skin, then what about her? She has brown complexion, still her skin is glowing. For your skin to glow, you don't need fair complexion. In this video, I will be sharing all the skincare products you need to achieve that glowing skin. Other than that, some home remedies and some effective glowing drinks. Hi, I am Dr. Madhuri Anantwar. I am a 40-year-old board certified dermatologist and I am practicing in Nagpur, Maharashtra since last 10 years. Today, we are diving into the holy grail of skincare, that is glowing skin. But forget the drink 8 glasses of water. We'll get to the real hydration later. Let's break down what makes your skin truly healthy, glowy and dewy. Forget fair skin equal to glowing skin. All skin tones can shine. So these are the 3 basic pillars of glowing skin: hydration, clear skin and even skin tone. And to achieve that glowing skin, we need to focus on all these 3 factors. First thing, hydration. Dry, dehydrated skin, no matter how fair it is, it always looks dull. Have you ever wondered why your skin looks dull in winter? Simple answer, it's because of the dryness. But here is the catch. Using wrong moisturizer can actually worsen your skin condition. The key is using the right products. If after face wash your skin feels dry and stretchy, then most probably you are using a wrong face wash or cleanser. For dry skin, use gentle cleanser like Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser or CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. Here are my most favorite recommendation for cleansers for dry skin. Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser, Minimalist 5% Aquaporine Booster, Dot and Keep Barrier Repair and Hydrating Gentle Face Wash, CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, Clinic Extra Mild Facial Cleanser. These are best cleanser for dry skin. Once you are done with cleansing, apply hyaluronic acid serum. But you have to apply hyaluronic acid serum on wet skin and then seal it with your favorite moisturizer. So these are few of my favorite hyaluronic acid serums. Chill, the ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% plus niacinamide, L'Oreal Paris Revalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum, Minimalist 2% hyaluronic acid serum, hyaluronic acid B5 Halu B5 serum by La Roche-Posay, hyaluronic acid 2% serum by Ordinary. And these are few of my favorite moisturizers for dry skin. CeraVe Dry Skin Moisturizer, Biotin Atoderm Cream, Physiogel and Venuzia Max. But here is one mistake most of the people make. They apply just hyaluronic acid serum. See, hyaluronic acid loves moisture. So if you're staying in an environment where the weather is very dry, or if you are in air conditioned room for long hours, then what will hyaluronic acid serum will do? It will absorb moisture from your skin because there is less hydration outside in the environment. So it will actually make your skin very dry. So make sure to seal your hyaluronic acid serum with a good moisturizer. Here is one more useful tip. If you have very dry skin or if your skin gets dry over this and this area, then you can add one more product, Cosrx Snail Mucin or Rice Water Ceramide. One of these products apply after hyaluronic acid and before moisturizer to get maximum hydration. Now let's see how to hydrate oily skin. If you have oily skin even in winter, then you can skip hyaluronic acid. Just apply a good moisturizer. But don't use your summer face wash in winter because most probably those face wash will dry out your skin. If you're looking for a good face wash in winter for oily or normal skin, then you can use Bioderma CBM Gel Mucin or CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser or Light Glow Face Wash. These face wash will cleanse your skin without stripping away the natural oil in your skin. If you still have very oily skin in winter, then you can use face gel या Zit Moist in moisturizer का आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते. But if your skin gets dry in winters, then you can use Aqua या Biosilk. ये कुछ moisturizer है जिनका आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. For more moisturizers and body lotion recommendation, you can watch my this video. I will leave the link in the description box. Here is one more hydration tip. If your skin gets dry very easily or if you're staying in air conditioned room all day, then Avene Thermal Spring Water Spray is a lifesaver hack which will increase the hydration in your skin. This spray is a lifesaver hack for that quick hydration boost. If you're looking for natural ways to hydrate your skin, then facial oils are best to hydrate your skin, but use them with caution. Facial oils are not suitable for every skin type. If you have acne or oily prone skin, then please don't use facial oils. But if you have very dry skin, then you can use castor oil or argan oil. These are few of my favorite moisturizing face oils. Castor oil and argan oil have great moisturizing properties. However, if you have acne prone skin, then these oil can clog your pores and you can get those tiny bumps on your skin. Remember, hydrated skin is a happy skin and happy skin always glows. So what is glass skin? Glass skin means when the light falls on your skin, the light reflects. But if you have bumpy skin or uneven skin texture, then the light falling on your skin won't reflect. So it happens when you have tiny bumps like blackhead, whitehead, acne on your skin. And so to get glowing skin, you have to treat all these four things: blackhead, whiteheads, pimple and scars. If you have blackhead, whitehead and pimple, then you can use salicylic acid face wash. But make sure to apply salicylic acid face wash at least for 20 seconds for it to work effectively. But if you have dry skin over here and this area, then avoid that salicylic acid face wash over these areas. These are few of my favorite salicylic acid face wash. Salicylic DS foaming face wash, minimalist 2% salicylic acid face wash, Neutrogena oil free acne face wash, Cosrx salicylic acid daily gentle cleanser, and Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. Salicylic acid helps to unclog those clogged pores, but there are few do's and don'ts as well to prevent that further clogging of pores. Don't apply hair oil for more than 10 to 15 minutes. Always use skincare products which have this label non-comedogenic over it. Treat dandruff and don't use makeup brushes. Now if you are suffering from acne or pimple, this requires a dedicated approach. You can watch this video on acne fighting strategies and the link is given in the description box. The depression you notice on your skin after the pimple is healed, it is called acne scar. Unfortunately, topical creams don't work on scar. Only lasers like CO2 laser and microneedling RF, few procedures like subcision TCA works for PRP works for scars. Uneven skin tone can be a major glow blocker. Here are 4 things you need to achieve even skin tone: protect, repair, exfoliate, and oral antioxidants. What does it mean by protect? Have you ever wondered your skin on exposed areas like hands and face is much dull and dark as compared to your protected areas like your tummy and your legs? This is because 90% of dullness and signs of aging are because of sun exposure. So if you want even skin tone, then you must have to take sun protection. And sunscreen only doesn't mean sun protection. No matter how frequently you are applying a sunscreen, no matter how costly your sunscreen is, but you are still gonna get tan if you are not using physical barriers along with sunscreen. Physical barriers means cap, mask, scarf, or even umbrella. So sunscreen is a must, but when you are indoors. But when you are outdoor, then you have to use cap, mask, scarf, or umbrella. If you haven't found best sunscreen for your skin type, then you can watch this video for sunscreen recommendations. The link is given in description box. So if your skin is tan or if there is uneven skin tone, then how to repair it? There are 2 methods. You can opt for in-clinic treatment options like lasers, chemical peel, microneedling at dermatologist office, or there are few things which you can do at home. So you can use brightening creams. Look for the ingredients: kojic acid, azelaic acid, tranexamic acid, vitamin C, niacinamide in your skincare products. But don't expect immediate result. All these products you have to use at least for 2 to 3 months consistently to see visible improvement. But if you're looking for natural ways to lighten your skin, then here are a few home remedies. Apply raw milk or curd every day on your face. Milk or curd is rich in lactic acid, which is a mild exfoliant. Apply tomato juice every night on face. Tomato juice is rich in salicylic acid, which is good for almost every skin type, particularly for acne prone skin. Or if you are looking for something gentle, then you can apply rice water. Soak rice water overnight and then take out the water, keep it in fridge and use it for 7 days. Every night apply it on entire face and leave it like that. Rice water is rich in ferulic acid and it has some good moisturizing and brightening effect. Other than that, turmeric and honey is a good moisturizing plus brightening home remedy. Or if you want even skin tone over your entire body, then there should be plenty of oral antioxidants in your diet, or you can take supplements. These are few oral antioxidants which will protect your skin from harmful UV rays, as well as they have good brightening effect. Glutathione, vitamin E, vitamin C, pyoglycogenol, beta carotene and astaxanthin. It is better to include oral antioxidant in your diet. Look for food items that are bright in colors. Those are rich in antioxidants like tomato, carrots, berries, oranges, lemon and spinach. These all bright color food items are rich in antioxidants. So the last and the most important thing to achieve uneven skin tone is exfoliation. So what does it mean by exfoliation? Your skin has dead skin cells on the surface of it and they might be responsible for dullness on your skin. And you have to get rid of that dead layer regularly. For that you can do exfoliation once or twice a week, but don't overdo it, because if you over exfoliate your skin, then your skin will get irritated and it will produce more pigmentation. So be gentle with exfoliation. If you have dry and sensitive skin, then you can use mild exfoliants like lactic acid and mandelic acid. If you have oily or acne prone skin, then salicylic acid is the best exfoliant for you. Or if you are above 35, then glycolic acid is the best exfoliant for you, because glycolic acid has brightening as well as anti-aging property in it. So here are few best glowing drinks. Water every day. Lemon water has vitamin C in it, which will protect your skin from harmful sun rays. Carrot or spinach smoothie, because these are packed with antioxidants. Remember, achieving glowing skin takes time. If you follow all these steps, then definitely within few months you will be able to achieve that glowing healthy skin. But if you are looking for a quick fix and there is an event coming up, then here is one hack. You can mix strobe cream in your foundation and apply it on your face. It will give a quick instant glow to your skin. I will be making a dedicated video for in clinic treatments for glowing skin, so stay tuned for it. If you are having hair fall, then do watch this video on hair care. If you are above 35, then you have to watch this video on anti-aging. Thanks for watching this video and do share it with your family and friends. Take care and keep glowing.